Oh, wari wangu, in this desert I need you. Listen to my cry. The road is narrow and the night is closing in. Sometimes I stumble under the weight of my own sin. The storms are raging, trying to pull me out to sea. Lord, I am desperate. Look down and pity me. Dibate roko, changamire. Hold my hand, sovereign Lord. Munzira, I feel slipping on the path when the wind blows wild and my faith grows dim. Dibate roko, keep me close to Him. Friends may forsake me, and the scoffers mock my name, but with you beside me, I will never walk in shame. Every step I take, I wanna feel your guiding light. Turn my weakness into your glorious might. Hold me tighter, never let me fall. Through the fire, I will stand tall. You are my anchor, my rock, and my shield. To your holy will, my heart I yield. Dibate roko, changamire. Dinochamuchweza, oh yeah, munzira wano. When the wind blows wild and my faith grows dim, Dibate roko, keep me close to Him.